Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. Everyone always talks about using styles in Microsoft Word, but have you ever wondered if you can do that in Scrivener? Well, here's how you can do it in the current Windows PC version of the app. I'll put that version down in the description so that if you come here at some future date, you'll know whether this is the version you have. You probably already know that there's a menu from which you can select different styles, body text, titles, etc. But did you know that you can also add your own styles to this? First, create some text in the style that you want. I'm going to do a fancy heading style, and I think, just for fun, I'm going to use Comic Sans as the font, which you really shouldn't do if you want to be taken seriously. So, you have your format. Now all you need to do is highlight that, go to the Format menu, select Formatting and New Preset from Selection, then name your style, click OK, and it now appears in the menu so that you can select it. But what if you want to change a style? That could be one you've already created or one of the presets. Well, the process is pretty similar. First, create some text in the style you want, highlight it, go into the Format menu, select Formatting, and this time choose Redefine Preset from Selection. Click on the style you want to change, click OK, and you're done. I hope this short tutorial has been useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.